Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayi and I share easy, quick, healthy and delicious recipes on this channel. If you're new here, you are very welcome. If you like to see more of these videos, kindly subscribe so you can get my notifications. Here are the ingredients for today's recipe. Using tiger prawns, I'm going in now with ginger and garlic powder, paprika and all-purpose seasoning. I'll make sure I mix everything properly and cover it up. Leave it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes for it to marinate properly. If you don't like prawns, you can use chicken breast as well for this recipe. Add any seasonings of your choice and just make sure you mix everything properly and let it marinate. That will do. Now I'm almost done with the prawns. As you can see, our main ingredient is the vermicelli. It's going in a bowl, and now add some warm water. It's very important to use warm water because you don't want the vermicelli to start breaking quickly, because as you can see, it's very fragile. So warm water in this case will work perfectly for me. Soak it for 12 to 15 minutes and don't forget to keep continuously stirring it because you don't want the vermicelli to be all cling together. So you have to make sure you separate it quickly. You can use a fork if you want to. After that, drain the water and set it aside. And here are the rest of the ingredients I will be using for today's recipe. Ginger, spring onions, 3 sausages, peppers. I use half of the green and the red one, half onions, 1 carrot, and 2 garlic cloves. Now let's start the stir fry. Now in my wok, I'm going in with roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And one thing to remember with stir fry, we have to cook everything on a high heat, and we're not going to leave the ingredient here for too long, so all can cook properly together. Keep it on a high heat. Now the oil is at the right temperature. I'm going in with the prawn. Fry it for 3 minutes and flip the other side and fry it for another 3 minutes. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, kindly thumbs up the video and keep watching. And all the ingredients I'm using in this recipe will be listed in the description box. And you know how much I love your comments, so keep dropping your comments for me. Now let's flip the other side and fry it for another 3 minutes, and the prawn will be ready. It looks so yummy. I'm going in now with about a tablespoon of olive oil and fry the sausages for like a minute or 2 and set it aside as well. Always remember, when it comes to your cooking, it all depends on what you like using in your kitchen. So any healthy oil you have will do. In this case, I'm using again olive oil, 2 tablespoons. I added my ginger and garlic, and I'm going in now with green and red peppers, and I'm going to saute this for 2 minutes, and I will be adding afterwards all the other ingredients. Keep watching. Stir continuously, and after that I'm going to add the carrots. But don't forget, I have fun here. You can throw in any vegetables of your choice and you are good to go. Now I'm going in with the ginger powder and the all-purpose seasoning. I'm going in now with a little bit of salt to taste, and I will add the vermicelli at this point. This is just a simple tomato sauce, about a tablespoon, but you can use soy sauce if you wish to at this stage. It's also fine, it will work. This is like a little fight with the vermicelli, but you have to keep stirring to make sure everything is combined well. And as you can see right now, it looks so inviting. I'm going in now with the sausages, and after that I'll add the prawn. Guys, look at this. I like my food on the spicy side, so I'm going to sprinkle some chili flakes on top right here, and this is optional if you don't like your food very spicy. I'm going in now with the spring onions, and here you can also add parsley if you want to, but spring onions will do the job for me. And guys, you can see that our vermicelli is so ready at this point, and this is the time I always invite you guys to get a fork. Yes, me do know, that's what we say in Togo, inviting the next person to join us. This looks so yummy. I'm sure you agree with me on that. Let's serve the food. This is the time to hit the subscription button and make sure you activate the bell so you don't miss out on these delicious recipes. And now I'm going to grab my fork and taste this food and let you know exactly what I think. And as usual, your girl never disappoints. This food was so delicious. And don't say it's because it's me that cooked it, but you can see from where you are that this can only taste delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to try it. Kindly help me grow this channel by sharing my content with family and friends. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye. Au revoir.